Patrick, you asked me for a video of the scooter in its current state. It's making a bunch of noise. If I'm just super light on the throttle, it'll quiet down, but as soon as I try to give it any kind of gas, any kind of throttle, it starts to make that noise, and you'll hear that here. I'm gonna cut together the parts where I go by the camera and it makes noise. Excuse the face. I just got stung by a bee on my eye, so that's something else I do is beekeeping. So we'll get those scooters. I'll get it out, the one that's making the noise. Pretty frustrated having to work on this darn thing all the time. There you go. Terrible noise. Here's a close-up on the rear wheel. It's pretty slow, and it's not too hot or anything, just from cruising around for a few seconds, but I definitely need to clean it. I've been on some little bit of dirt trails and stuff, but nothing major. So yeah, that's what's going on. Let me take off from a stop and you can hear it. So here's what happens if it's not under load. I don't think it makes noise. You can hear it when it first kicks off. Put it under a load. Tons of noise. Front one is not doing that. You can hear it's not doing it. That's what the back one used to work like. Then here's the back one. Alright, hopefully you can help me, Patrick, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.